If you're looking to give your stairs a fresh new look without spending a fortune, you've come to the right place.
Today, I'm excited to share 6 simple and affordable ideas to update your stairs and make them the highlight of your home.
First up, let's talk about creating a gallery wall. This is a fantastic way to add personality and style to your staircase. Choose a mix of photos, artwork, and decorative pieces to create a cohesive look.
Arrange them at eye level as you go up the stairs, ensuring each piece is securely mounted.
Next, consider installing a handrail.
Not only does it add safety, but it can also be a stunning design feature. Opt for materials like wood, metal, or glass, depending on your interior style.
A new handrail can dramatically change the look of your staircase.
Ever thought about under-stair storage?
This is a brilliant way to maximize space and keep things organized.
From pull-out drawers to built-in shelves, the possibilities are endless.
This not only declutters your home, but also makes use of an often overlooked space. If your staircase is looking tired, replacing the carpet can make a huge difference.
Choose a durable and stylish carpet, or consider hardwood for a more timeless appeal.
This update can instantly refresh your stairs and improve the overall look of your home. Mirror accents are another simple yet effective idea.
They can make your staircase area look bigger and brighter. Place mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of more space.
This is particularly useful for narrow or dark staircases.
Lastly, incorporating plants can bring life and color to your stairs.
Choose low-maintenance plants and place them in stylish pots. Whether on the steps or along the rail, plants can add a refreshing touch and improve air quality. And there you have it. 6 simple ideas to update your stairs and transform your space. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips and tricks.